Number 8. A person is eligible to be a U.S. Senator if they are at least 30 years old and have been a U.S. citizen for at least 9 years. To be a U.S. Rep, these numbers are 25 and 7, respectively. Write a program that accepts a person's age and years of citizenship as input and outputs their eligibility for the Senate and the House. Okay. So, this is going to be similar to this program, but it's still helpful because it's practice. It's practice. And, okay. Chapter 7, P. Programming exercises. Zelle, second edition. From Intro to CS. Python 3. Alright, we're going to call this Senator. Alright. So let's call this Congress. Age. CTZ. Years old, years of citizenship. Okay. And then print. Okay, let's call Congress. Zone. Alright. So we're calling it. Let's go here. Okay, so let's punch this in. So Senator equal to 30. Driving equal to 9. Uh, 25 and 7. House. 25 and 7. Okay. And, these are just comments, so sometimes they don't have to be super clear. I mean, they probably should, but basically you gotta be age 30 and 9 years as a citizen. Okay. So, yeah, I should be a lot clearer. Okay, so this program outputs the potential eligibility for someone to be a U.S. Senator or U.S. Representative in the House. Okay, so if age is greater than or equal to 30, it's greater than or equal to 9, then return so are eligible to be a U.S. Senator, but you're not eligible to be representative. Elif greater than or equal to 7, right? Return not eligible to be a U.S. Senator No, it's both. I must be slow today. I'm really slow today. I'm not eligible to be okay. Else. All right. Yeah, representative means House of Reps, but all right. I think this looks pretty good. Period. Return statements. My Python's really cool is you don't need like all these parentheses. I think this works. I think this will work. All right, so let's open this up. So it's senator.py. It's from run an earlier program. Senator.py. Let's check it out. 30 and 9, greater than or equal to. Eligible senator. Yep. Not R. Not. All right, that's fine. I think it's cool. Parentheses. Usually there's like a color. I think if you put it here. Yeah, even that. I don't know if you can hear it in the. I'll play it back, but it makes a little ding sound. I know you can't see the spinning wheel of death if I'm ever running like 30 programs. I'm sure a lot of these, either mass consumers of online content or programmers or really aspiring programmers have a lot of windows open. I've just seen it. It's not uncommon. So I've definitely been both at times, but usually I'm in trying to get this going, and but yeah, it doesn't show. So I don't know if it'll make that noise, but it makes a ting ting, which is kind of cool. In my headphones. All right, so let me run it. And again, that's programming. Right, it's programming. So whoever programmed this, QuickTime player, programmed it pretty well in that regards. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's say 31. Let's say you were born here. Both. Nice. All right, so let's say. Let's try again. Let's do 30 and 8. Let's say you're 30. 8. Ooh. Good spacing. I like that. Let's try it again. Let's do 25. That's 7. Not, but you are eligible to be represented. All right, so now and I think it's only int, because it will cause a mistake. We could try and accept, but let's, where am I at right now? Let's not sweat it. 39, 17. All right, so now let's do like something bad, so we'll do 67 and we'll do 4.8. Ooh, yes, there it is. It is, so it could be, we could take them in as a float. It actually would work just fine because it's not outputting any numbers. If age, I think it's floor. I'm pretty sure it works. Age.floor is 30. Because if it's 8.9, it's not going to work. Because if it's a float, right? If it's a float. So age.floor. And this is why sometimes I like just snooping around. I know it's kind of hokey, and you guys probably don't believe me because I get so many mistakes wrong on these videos, but or I make so many mistakes. But I like looking at Python.org and just messing around with idle and stuff, and that's how I learn stuff. But yeah, I think floor and seal are like the floor of a number, and then the ceiling. So I think because we're taking in floats, I think that's fine. It could be another language though, like C++. Maybe floor doesn't work. Let's try it. So let's do 41.1. No. Let's do 30.8. 29.9. Yeah, no, let's do 29.9. Right, and then let's do 9.1. Oh, no, yeah. I was wrong. Okay, so let's do float. I don't even know how to look at methods. I think it's the slash. I think it's like force. I'm rounding down. Yeah, I gotta look it up. Let's check it out. Let's check this out. This is my Python page. All right, so floor float Python. Guess you can round it. I can import math. Yeah, this is fine. So the int version of that. Yeah, that makes sense because then it rounds it down. If it's a negative number, it's going to round up. But we can't have negative numbers, so it's just going to be the int. Yeah, because it truncates. I forgot. Again, this is reminding me. This is excellent. So we're going to go age. We're going to go if the int of age. So no more floor. Floor was C++. One of those languages. Age of CTZ. That's a. But the float has certain methods. And in Python, floor and ceiling are not methods for float, the float data type. All right, that's all we need, I think. I think int. I don't know what I was thinking here. I think my brain is getting fried. Where is it? Where did I revise it? Yeah? I guess not. Okay, well, we'll just... Yeah, I guess I was revising on there. I don't know. So, it's going to be senator. Let's say he's 30.1. So he should be good. And then 9.1. Should be good for both. Boom. Let's run it again. Now let's do 29.9999. And citizenship's going to be 9. So it should be below the next one. Not eligible. Oh. Not good. So if age is greater than or equal to 30, the int of age, well, if it's 29.9999, it should truncate it down to 29. The int of age. I think it's I think it's supposed to be H.int. I don't know. Maybe it does supposed to work for floor. I'm trying to cast it. I don't want to import. I guess we could import math. This should. So you know what? Let's just do 29.9999999. No, we'll do A equals 29.999. Let's int int A. It should work. Oh, yeah. You should not be eligible because it's going to be int of age is greater than or equal to 30. There's a problem here with int age, I think. Interesting. Maybe it reads it right to left or something. It should just be 29, then it should be good. 9 years. Greater than or equal to 25. Oh. You know what? I will bet you. Maybe just save it or something. Save it should be good. Float. Run it. It's all in. It's 29.9. Yes. So I think I just forgot to save it. Probably in Atom. I've been really forgetful in this video. I definitely apologize. Probably getting a little tired. It's one of the things too is, from programming, just from the early cursory stuff that I've heard, like, just like anything else, right? You don't want to like do so much that you're just making dumb mistakes. So I'll probably take a little break after this recording, but get some rest. But yeah, I mean, when you're making just lots and lots and lots of just dumb, silly mistakes, it's not tough to do like rote stuff. That's not really challenging. But when you're trying to go after, something that's really a reach, which we all have done, right? With math, I'm sure, trying to reach beyond. You're like, oh, I'm taking a tough class, or this is a tough section, or this isn't as easy as I thought, or I got to really pay attention, or I have to really like, turn my headphones on and listen to classical music, because it's loud in my house, or I mean, I don't know. Could be all kinds of things, but I'm starting to make a lot of mistakes. So silly mistakes. So it's good to notice that. Okay, so here we go. How old are you? Okay, so we're gonna do 30.11111111, and then 9.1. Yes. Okay. Now let's try again. Let's do these edge cases, right? So 25. So 24.9999, and then it's been 25. Not neither one, even though you're almost 25, because it's not greater than or equal to. Let's run it again. So 25, 7. You are not, yet you are eligible to be representative. Let's do something for fun. Let's say your dog ran. 4 years old, 4 years U.S. citizenship. Oh no. If it was dog years, might have a chance. Or if it was people years, might have a chance. But dog years, not gonna do it. All right, so hopefully this was helpful. I made a lot of dinky mistakes on this one, but yeah, the thing that I mostly learned was that we don't use floor or ceil in Python 3, probably in Python at all. At least without using math import. Actually, I looked it up. I think you can do floor and ceiling, but you have to import math the module, I believe. And but you can just cast the data type as an int, which essentially truncates the number. So you got 29.99999, it just cuts off the 9, which is what we want for here. Now in other situations, we're going to probably want to pick round, because based on what data we're looking for, based on what output we're looking for, what mathematical computation output we're looking for, you just have to keep all that in mind. But in this case, where age is the cutoff, like a number of years is a cutoff, then it's really going to be a matter of just truncating whatever the number is, because it's always going to be positive. It's never going to be negative, so it's going to be 0 or greater, essentially. So just keeping that sort of mathy stuff in mind, it's helpful. But anyways, that was what I learned here, and then also just keeping in mind like my energy levels and how many like silly mistakes I make. If I make a whole bunch of silly mistakes, at a minimum, I should go take a break. But maybe I should get some rest and then come back with more like fresh eyes. So, what else did I learn? That's basically it. That's basically it here. A lot of this stuff I've already done. Reminding myself again that we can use this function call inside of a print statement, and it doesn't have to say str on it. Because this is a string. This returns a string, so this can concatenate these. Well, this is a comma, so you can use different data types within the comma. But even if you had a plus, you would still be okay, because this return of this function invocation is a string. Anyways, hope that helps. Thanks a lot, guys.